Hey guys, Savage Gamer 1998 here, and this was an unplanned video, but you may see why I made it shortly. I didn't really tell you guys this, but my Emerson TV VCR combo, the VCR part worked, the TV still turned on, but the problem was the AV input was flickering. It would still give out audio, but the video port was starting to come loose. So I tried reflowing it, but that didn't help. And basically, I thought this TV was done for. But I actually took it apart again tonight. And then I saw the actual problem. The solder pad was toast. And I thought it was beyond any repair now. But I traced the little trace back to one of the solder pads that led to it. And then, now this is something I have not tried, but lucky me, I got it to work. Now, I am going to send some images through voice recorder. Okay, so, as you see in this picture, you'll basically want a wire that looks just like what I just put. And you can see the solder pad that is just jacked up with the red circle. It's circled by a red circle. So, yeah. And take a look at this clip. Yeah, you can see I am just fiddling around with this thing, and it is not even flickering in the slightest. Well, I don't know about you guys, but that looks 100 times better than what it looked like earlier. I didn't even show the flickering, but I'm sure it's a common problem on these TV VCR combo units. But yeah, now I'm going to say this, it will not work for a lot of TVs. It usually depends on the model. Suggestion number one is that you just trace the actual video prong where the solder joint should be. You should solder a wire to it and find the video trace. Find the video in trace. And do it like that. But anyways, that's all I have to say. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.